The dragon's best friend. In a quiet village surrounded by tall mountains and thick forests, there was a boy named Timmy. Timmy was loved by everyone because he was always full of energy and loved exploring the world around him. He found joy in everything, from the sound of birds chirping to the feel of the wind on his face. In the same village, there lived a dragon named Drake. Drake wasn't like other dragons. He didn't want to scare people or cause trouble. All he wanted was to be friends with the villagers. But because he looked scary and could breathe fire, everyone was afraid of him. They didn't understand that he was kind and just wanted to belong. One sunny day, Drake stumbled upon Timmy's house while exploring. Timmy didn't scream or run away. Instead, he greeted Drake with a smile and invited him inside for some food and a chat. Drake was surprised by Timmy's kindness. He hadn't met anyone who wasn't scared of him before. As they talked, Drake opened up to Timmy about how lonely he felt. Timmy listened with empathy and understood Drake's desire for friendship. He decided he would help Drake be accepted by the villagers. The next day, Timmy organized a big gathering in the village square and invited Drake to join. At first, people were scared when they saw the dragon coming. But Timmy stood by Drake's side and told everyone that Drake was friendly and meant no harm. With Timmy's encouragement, Drake showed the villagers how kind and helpful he could be. He helped rescue a kitten stuck in a tree and fixed a broken bridge. Slowly but surely, the villagers started to see that Drake wasn't a monster but a friend who wanted to be a part of their community. Over time, Drake and Timmy became best friends. They went on adventures together, exploring the forests and mountains. Timmy showed Drake all the beautiful places in the village, and Drake shared stories of his homeland with Timmy. Their friendship taught the villagers an important lesson about acceptance and kindness. They realized that it didn't matter how someone looked on the outside, what mattered was the goodness in their hearts. With Timmy's help, Drake became a beloved member of the village, and everyone welcomed him with open arms. As the years passed, Timmy and Drake's friendship only grew stronger. They continued to explore the wonders of the world together, reminding everyone that true friendship knows no bounds. The moral of the story: kindness and acceptance can bridge the gap between differences, and true friendship is a treasure worth cherishing.